Getting two pieces of metal, like these copper bars, to stick together takes more than a little elbow grease and glue. You need one of these.
This is an electron beam welding chamber.
Electron beam welding involves bombarding two pieces of metal with a stream of electrons traveling close to the speed of light. This is what it looks like inside the chamber. Look closely, and you can see a small dot of light, the electron beam, welding the two copper bars together. This is how they do it at KTI Incorporated. The East Windsor company has been a leader in EB welding for more than 40 years, but the technology is changing, and KTI is changing with it.
Without continuing to develop new technology, new processes and procedures, we would probably fall behind our competition, but also not allow industry to create new products realistically and economically.
President Howard Orr is the man in charge of keeping KTI and its welding equipment ahead of the curve. At $1 million a copy, you don't just go out and buy new ones. You upgrade the ones you've got. For help with funding a project Orr applied for and won a grant from the Connecticut Small Business Innovation Research Office. For help with the processes and procedures, Orr turned to laboratories, like this one at the University of Connecticut.
We take our responsibility as a flagship land-grant university very seriously.
Dr. Moon Choi is the dean of the UConn School of Engineering. He recently created the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Program. Working with the Connecticut SBIR office, the program encourages engineering faculty to start their own companies.
At the same time, they can partner with existing companies who are looking for innovations and technologies that our faculty members can offer.
Companies like KTI.
It allows us to develop procedures that they will hold our hand and help walk us through the metallurgical and the areas that we do not have the in-house capability to perform.
And there's more.
For the state of Connecticut, it certainly will create some jobs.
3 to 4 jobs to start with, says Orr, and more down the road. Some could come from UConn School of Engineering, which is seeing a dramatic increase in enrollment. John Marshall is a School of Engineering graduate. After working for large companies, he's found a home at KTI.
Working in a small business gives you a wider scope of experience than you might find at some of the larger companies.
More jobs, more technology, and more growth. A three-way partnership that could help tip the balance of entrepreneurship and innovation in Connecticut's favor.
We have an important role to play in the future development of new manufacturing companies and new innovations that the state can participate in to make Connecticut once again the manufacturing capital of the United States.
We're excited about it because it was a collaboration between a UConn, a school in Connecticut, also the state of Connecticut, and a company. So we have public, private, and educational components to this grant opportunity.
And a formula for success.